lang ba kayo nagkasama ni Marian?
Yes, ngayon lang kami nagkasama sa isang show. Yes,
So, how was it naman talaga?
It's been very light kasi we started taping together after. Kasi nung nag-taping kami, hindi kami nagka-eksena until after mga 4 months into the show. Hiwalay talaga kami kasi magkaiba kami ng house. So, after 4 months, parang nakikita ko lang siya sa taping but never kami nagka-eksena. And then, by the time na nagka-eksena na kami, relax na ako sa kanya, relax na din siya sa akin because we always see each other on set.
Meron pa din ba kagaya ni Kiray na gano'n, na impression na nako, lagot ka or nako, hala, mga gano'n?
Hindi naman, well, like what Kiray said is nakaka-intimidate si Yan kasi syempre she's a star, so nakaka-intimidate siya, but I'm fortunate enough to have worked with many intimidating actors, so parang I know how to not let it affect me pagdating sa trabaho, I guess. So yung mga, parang nasagot ko naman yung tanong mo, kahit paano.
Yeah, nasagot mo naman. Pero tawag yan, kasi sanay din naman kami sa'yo na ang mga binibigay din sa'yo ng mga GMA in the past, talagang mga bida roles, di ba? So, hindi ka ba nagdalawang isip dito?
There's no small role. I think there's no such thing as a small role. There's no such thing as hindi ako ganun ka mapili sa mga roles kasi I'm just fortunate enough to be working kasi maraming walang trabaho ngayon. Masaya ako that I'm not only am I working, I'm also working in a show with such amazing actors, and ito yung pagbabalik ni Marian. So it's something na inaabangan ng lahat. And katulad ng sinabi ni Marian kanina, it's a show also for the whole family. Para sa mga bata at para mapanood din. Excited siya para mapanood ng mga anak niya yung show. And ganun din yung feeling ko din. Excited ako na mapanood ni Sky one day yung show namin.
So not now.
And maybe not now. I don't think he'll appreciate it yet. But then eventually when he's a little older, he'll see, oh, mommy was part of a show about aliens. So maaaliw siya. And that's something that I think about also when choosing roles. Will it be something that my son will be proud of?
Pero